Hello there. So you want to know how you can link or unlink Ubisoft account with Xbox, PSN or Steam? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Ubisoft Connect application. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and make sure you're logged in into your account and click on this profile tab. Go ahead and click on account management. And when you're going to be on this page, all you need to do is click on this link down here. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you just need to go ahead and first log in, as you can see. So I'm going to log in right into it. Once you've done that, it's going to send you a verification code to your Gmail. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that verification code, copy it, and then paste it here, and then simply go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in into your account, now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and find your connections of other accounts is right down here. If you scroll down, there's a linked account tab. This is where you can link or unlink just by clicking on these buttons right over here. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.